Okay, so now it's time for the wrap up to the CalPADS Basics Extracts functionality training. We're just going to recount some key points, talk about resources, and tell you where to find support. So just a summary of some key points. Users can only download data from the CalPADS ODS through extracts or extract functionality. User accounts must have the appropriate roles to access the extracts. Most often, if you remember from the overview, that these are the SPED edit roles or the SENR edit roles. Those specific edit roles provide access to extracts as well. Or if it has sensitive data, those sensitive data roles, such as direct certification. Extracts cannot be viewed in the CalPADS user interface and must be downloaded in various formats. So unlike reports, there is no online functionality, no functionality within the CalPADS website to view extracts. That data within has to be downloaded and used or imported into a file or spreadsheet or perhaps directly into your student information systems. Extracts can only be downloaded as .csv files. In this case, caret delimited files. That's a consistent format for all extracts. ODS extracts provide data for a specific record type. When you're looking for data directly out of the CalPADS ODS, it does come out as record types, not to be confused with reports. Reports have various data. Sometimes multiple record types are used to make a report, where ODS extracts are specific by record type. SSID match results and direct certification extracts can be accessed through individual modals. So they may not be directly available on the extract screen, or they may, in the case of direct certification, be accessible from the extract screen and within the direct certification module itself. And lastly, familiarity and the use of tools such as Microsoft Excel or Notepad will help maximize the value of extracts. So as it relates to resources for extracts, during the different sections of the training, we pointed to either resources, the CalPADS user manual, batch file templates within the user manual, the system documentation page for the extract CFS, as well as we pointed to YouTube tutorials, other functionality that use extracts like the SSID match tool. So we've talked about those resources. We just want to reiterate them. And of course, slide deck and others is available at the Figment resource. And so as far as getting support, right, using extracts for the first time could be challenging. Even with the instruction from this training and other training, it still may be cumbersome at first. You may have to learn some nuances. So if you ever have a question, please submit a ticket to the support desk. The most direct path is the link at the top of the screen that takes you to the web form. Of course, as always, if you would be so kind, please submit a survey. Last but not least, we thank you for your hard work. We thank you for viewing today's training, making an effort to master CalPADS. Everything that you do is for the students of California. So again, thank you on their behalf.